Good morning, sir. My name is Nerjin Susminya. Our topic is all about entrepreneurship, contemporary views with the process and approach, definition of entrepreneur and entrepreneurship, and lastly, entrepreneur skills. But I will focus on entrepreneurship, contemporary views with the process and approach, and definition of entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. First is the entrepreneurship, contemporary views with the process and approach. Modern entrepreneurship often focuses on flexibility and quick adaptation. Key approaches include: learn startup, build a basic version of your product, test it with customers, and make improvements based on their feedback. This helps reduce risks and adapt quickly. Design thinking, understand what users need, come up with ideas to solve their problems, and test those ideas. It's about focusing on users' experience and making continuous improvement. Second, definition of entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. What is an entrepreneur? Is an individual who starts and runs a business with limited resources. This individual is responsible for all risks and rewards of their business venture. The business idea usually encompasses a new product or a service rather than existing business model. What is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is the ability and readiness to develop, organize, and run a business enterprise, along with any uncertainties. It's order to make a profit. The most prominent example of entrepreneurship is the starting of a new business.
Entrepreneurial skills. Business management skills are essential for entrepreneurs to effectively plan, organize, direct, and control the resources of an organization. Communication and listening. Communication skills allow individuals to express thoughts, ideas, and feelings clearly. Through speaking, writing, and other forms of expression. Listening skills provide the ability to understand and retain information and respond appropriately. Communication and listening are essential entrepreneurship skills that can make a difference in how you run your business, as they help you to build trust, maintain relationships, resolve conflicts, understand needs and perspective, and make informed decisions. Critical and creative thinking skill. Strong critical and creative thinking skills are essential for entrepreneurs to build and expand the business. Critical thinking allows you to objectively analyze information using the evidence to make informed decisions and solve problems. Creative thinking provides a way to look at issues from various angles, consider alternative perspectives, and come up with original ideas. Strategic thinking and planning skills allow entrepreneurs to analyze information, adapt, manage projects, solve problems, and make informed decisions. This entrepreneurship skill is vital in helping leaders overcome challenges and ensure efficient allotment of resources and achievement of goals. Branding, marketing, and networking skill. In today's competitive business environments, branding, marketing, and networking skills are essential for scaling business and boosting opportunities. This skill enable entrepreneurs to promote and sell products or service. Branding creates a unique and memorable image of product, service, organization, and marketing promotes them to target consumers. Networking builds relationships and allows individuals to connect with potential customers, partners, suppliers, or colleagues.